you guys? Marty Schwartz here again from GuitarJams.com. I'm going to break down a couple of Billy Gibbons style licks. Alright, so let me show you the little track I was playing underneath. I was doing I was in the key of C, and I was doing a C power chord. So that's the 8th fret right there. Then I'm going to the 6th fret on the A string power chord up to the 8th. And it's just, you know, he's stuck in the minor pentatonic a lot, like a lot of our favorite rock gods. It comes from the C minor pentatonic extension. The root's right there on the 8. So check this out. One thing, and it's a really nice lick because you can. It's a good, it's a good stretch lick. You know, you can milk the lick for a long time and stretch your solo out. So it goes ring finger. Let's see, from the 10th fret up to the 12th fret, and your middle finger is a half step lower on the B string. And actually, you could even slide. Yeah, I think what I'm doing as I'm studying it in the moment here is I'm actually sliding with just my ring finger note, and I'm also, you could do it where you pick and use your middle finger as you pick. I think that's how Billy Gibbons does it. What I do is I tuck it under my index finger and I use my thumb and middle finger. Just because I've practiced that a lot more than with the pick. So that's what I'm comfortable with, but if you're starting, you know, with one way more comfortable than the other, I think that's alright. But I use my fingers, and so I'm sliding with my ring finger, and you could slide it from as far back as you can. See that? First fret even. And then I tuck my middle finger to the 11th on the B. And then with my thumb and middle, you know, there's a lot of places you can go from there. And so I got that or that. Da-da-da-da-da. And I just got my thumb, boom, I just tuck it in, and then I do that. That might not be easy for some people, but that's actually easier for me than using the pick. Okay, so let me talk about pinch harmonics now, because it's another trademark of Billy's. I think having gain is helpful, but you know, you can do it perfectly clean like that. So different places that you pick it can kind of give you different sounds in that harmonic. With distortion or gain, you'll hear it more. And let me explain it now. So, you know, typically we use a pick, and we use the tip, you know, not everybody, but we use the tip plastic here. This is actually a, let's see, it's actually a Buffalo Brothers pick from the shop that I frequent, Buffalo Brothers. But so basically, you can take your pick, and instead of just using the plastic, you choke up on the pick, and I think of it as like the top part of my index finger here is playing the plucking the string with the pick. And also my thumb. So basically I get it by choking up. I move the pick in, so you can see, if you look at the tip there, you can see that, you know, now I'm kind of picking it with the flesh of my thumb and index and the pick all at the same time. So you kind of get this, see, I can, so that's with no note at all. That's just on the open G string. It tends, you know, they're probably easiest to hear, I think, on the G string. Yeah, so I definitely feel that string vibrating on my thumb. So it's kind of picking down, and then my thumb, you know, I'm picking down, I can feel it on my index finger and the pick, and then as I brush through it, it gets lightly muted by my thumb as it picks. So you kind of get this harmonic sound. And it does kind of seem like you're pinching the string a little bit, and then I think that's why it's called pinch harmonics, because you're using your two fingers like a pinch with that pick in there just a little bit too. Okay, so watch here, I'll get some gain going here, and I'll just kind of try to give you some examples. So it's almost, you're almost muting, it's like right before you know, stopping the string altogether with your fingers, like, you know, you get a little bit of pick in there, and you pick, and you also kind of come through the guitar, like this way, you know, you dig into it, so it's not just a down, it's you dig into it this way, like into the string, like.